Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to make split screen inside Premiere Pro. Let's begin. We will use 4 videos for our first split screen effect. Select first video and go to Effects Control and now scale it down to 50% and change its position to top left. Now select it and go to Effects Control, scale it down to 50% and move it to bottom left. Let's repeat the process and place them on right side of screen. Now let's add border to the clip. Select pen tool and draw a line. Go to Effects Control and open this shape drop down. Uncheck Fill and check or click on Stroke. Change this value to 15 and you can choose any color you want. Let's add one more line here. Let's make second split screen. We will use 3 videos for this. Select your first video clip and change scale size to 50. Again select your second clip and change scale size to 50. Now change position to left, top and bottom. Now select your third video clip and go to Effects and type here crop. Then apply it to the clip. Go to Effects Control and change left and right value to 25%. Change position to the right. Now to change border color, select your clip layers and move them one layer above. I have already done it, but you can do it by selecting it and moving it one layer above. Make sure you are on project panel, then click on new layer icon and create new color matte. Press OK. You can change color here. I will choose white and press OK. You can give it a name or simply press OK. Then simply drag and drop it at the bottom here. Also change the duration. Now let's make third split screen. For this also we will use 3 video clips. Select your first clip. Go to Effects and type here radial wipe. Apply it twice to your clip. Now go to Effects Control tab. In your first radial wipe transition, change the transition completion to 50% and change start angle to 130 degree and change wipe center to the bottom. Now let's work on our second effect. Change the transition completion to 50% and start angle to -50. Also change wipe center. Now resize and scale both clips. Make sure you can't see the edges. Let's make our borders. Make screen size small. Select your pen tool. Let's make our final split screen transition. For this we will use portrait clips, which are usually shot at smartphones. We will use 3 clips for this also. Select your first clip and move it to the left. Then select your third clip and move it to the right. To change border color, we will select all clip and move it one track above. Go to the project panel and make a new color matte. Choose a color you like. Press OK. And now place it on the bottom layer. Also change the duration. This is it for this video guys. Like the video, comment down which tutorial I should add next and subscribe to the channel. Bye.